am Mahejit. We are going to see about a digital multimeter. This is model D10830D digital multimeter. If you are a small kids, please read the warnings. Let's start. First, we are going to see about the V and the symbol. This symbol represents the AC voltage called as alternating current. This side volt, this is called as voltage V, and this symbol represents the DC voltage, direct current, and this A symbol represents the alternating current. That's we are going to see. Now this is our DC voltage. This is our off button. This is our display. Now this is any DC meters like battery and many things like small 9-volt batteries like that. Now if you are using when you are using more voltage, you should put in the highest volt, and this is Q means resistor for checking, and this is our HME. This is represents the transistor, and this is our square wave. This is our resistor diode and continuity mode, and this is our alternating current. This volts represents. This is we are using about 10A. We will use this one. This one we should put in red. This both anyone we should put red. This is our black common. When we are checking the LED or transistor or etc., we should put inside the hole and check. Let's start. First, we are going to connect and check the 9-volt battery and 1.5-volt battery. See, you should put red in this. You are using DC means you should DC voltage means you should put here. You are using alternating current AC means you should put here. Now black always it should be in common. Now let's restart. First, this battery we are going to do. This one under 9 volt. We should not put this kind of batteries in higher volt because we know that this is very lower volt. Then we should put above volt 20. Let's start. You should put plus in plus side and minus in minus side. Let's see. The volt came is 9.20. It is full of charge. Next, we are going to see about 1.5 volt battery. Let's watch. This is the voltage of this 1.5 volt battery. Let's see the resistor. We should set in Q. Now this resistor, this is 10K. Now we are going to put in 20K. Let's start. See, this is good. This is coming 1 volt. This is correct. Now we are going to put in HFE and going to check the LED is working or not. This is called mode as this is diode and this is continuity. This mode called as diode mode and continuity. We can use many small electrical components like LED, transistor and etc. This is our LED. I am going to put in this hole. We should not put this in this hole because this is NPN and this is PNP. We should put this one give power. Let's see. We should put red in long LED and small in small. It is working. It's good. Next, we are going to see the transistor. This is NPN. This is okay or not, we are going to check. We should put red in middle one and we should put inside. It is coming 684, it's good. Now we are going to see PNP transistor. Same as you should put in middle red and side. It is shouting because it was not good. Now you should do the plus minus same, it will make sounds. All small kids are spoiling the digital multimeter. We are buying cheap and best, but they are wasting. About this transistor, I will put the video. Bye friends. If you like the channel, like and share to your family members and friends. Please subscribe the bell button. Bye. Thank you.